Hi, I'm Matt Dudley with Marco Beverage Systems. Today we are at the NAFEM 2025 Expo here in Atlanta, Georgia. We're going to check out just a few of those existing solutions that we have and soon up and coming solutions as well. So let's go check them out. So this is the Marco Poured. What Poured will allow you to do is to start with a bag-in-the-box concentrate and serve that concentrate in a variety of different ways. So today we're using a cold brew concentrate, and I can serve that as a drinking strength beverage. So it's diluting and dispensing all at the same time. And if I want to make an iced latte with it, instead of having to pull a shot of espresso from an espresso machine, this is in effect my straight concentrate that I can use as my espresso shot. Which brings me to our Milk Pal, a brand new piece of equipment from Marco designed to dispense cold milk, cold foam, and hot foam milk, all at the push of a button, making my iced latte really easy to make. With the Milk Pal, you can program 25 different recipes, giving you complete control over volumetric dosing of the milk, aeration, how much it foams the milk or doesn't foam the milk, as well as whether it's going to be served cold or hot. So now I'm going to show you our newest version of our Poured system called Poured Touch. It's everything that I previously showed you, but with a touch screen. I can dispense traditional drinking strength cold brew from it. And then on this one, we also have it connected to a hot water boiler. So I'm able to dispense my concentrate along with a little bit of hot water to bring the temperature of the concentrate up. Now it's at an espresso-like temperature. I can use my Milk Pal to dispense hot foamed milk. I can take my hot foam milk, pour it into my espresso, and have a nice cappuccino in a matter of seconds from an untrained barista. So here we have our Poured Touch connected to our chiller carbonator, and we're able to dispense a citrus refresher that's carbonated and delicious. So next is our popular Fria system. Our Fria system will deliver chilled water, sparkling water, and or hot water, depending on which system that you've ordered. Fria is popular with offices, restaurants, QSR. Marco, we are well known for our innovations, for beautifully designed equipment, and for solving problems within the beverage industry in creative ways.